In a time when the world is becoming more and more complex, we focus on making things easier. Data from a wide variety of different sources is stored in the cloud. The number of consumers is growing constantly. All areas must therefore be able to communicate with each other and exchange data. Innovative products for digitally networked systems help to optimize production processes. Developed by Leuze Electronic. Our smart sensors are able to control production processes and evaluate information to recognize problems early on. With the dual-channel principle, we are taking a further step toward the creation of intelligent production systems. While the measurement data for process control is being transferred in real time on the first channel, the information for monitoring and analysis of the machine flows over the second channel. Based on the OPC UA communication standard, the sensors transfer data into the cloud, which can be accessed from anywhere in the world. The dual-channel principle can also assist commissioning. The use of data glasses simplifies the configuration of a barcode scanner, for example. Device parameters and the virtual reading field can be transferred to the data glasses via cloud services. The dual-channel principle is also helpful in state monitoring and predictive maintenance during production. Soiling or misalignment of a sensor can change the signals to such an extent that switching faults occur. The error messages can be sent to an operator and get corrected. And this worldwide.